All right, today is Saturday, March 14th. About just a little over 90 days away from the Yukon River Quest. And we're going to be racing the Epic 18x Sport. I bought this boat in 18 or 19 to race it in the 20 race, but it got canceled due to COVID. So this is an 18-foot long kayak by Epic Kayaks. The red designates that it's the ultra layup, which means that it's all full carbon fiber. And what I'm doing is I need to figure out my seat configuration today, and I need to figure out how to mount my Garmin Montana right here, and probably a GoPro somewhere right there. And then I'm getting a leak in my day hatch, so I'm getting water leaking in from here, and I'd already sealed it up once, but yeah, I need to figure out where that's coming from. And been testing my gear, so you can see my jacket's wet just from being in that hatch, and the boat's not leaking, it's just leaking through the bulkhead. So I'm gonna have to do something about sealing that up. This is one of the two seats I'm gonna go with. I just need to put a spacer back here because this keeps sliding backwards. And I'm either gonna use this seat or I've got a comfortable. This is Miss Brooke, 14-year-old Brooke Catalea. I'm gonna be driving the Tacoma all the way up to the Yukon. And then this is the comfortable seat. This is super lightweight. Problem is, it just slides all the way back. And I've got some extra foam that I need to cut, a spacer to put in here, and I would prefer to use this seat because it sits lower, and it's very lightweight. It weighs maybe a half a pound. I had done some Velcro on it and put Velcro in here, but it just came apart. So that's my next job there, and we're just getting ready. We need to wash the boat and get it set up. So here's what we're working with. Got my reflective cordage to tie on. This is the Montana Garmin 700, and I'm going to lanyard this to the boat, and I've got suction cups with ram mounts to mount this in the front. And because this may not last, this will be tied to the boat. And then we've got a GoPro. We're going to run the I don't remember what it's called, the 360 GoPro 360. It's a GoPro, one of the cameras. I don't remember the name of this, but this is what I'm going to put on the boat so we can get some good video. GoPro Max. So this has a lens in the front and in the back. Hopefully I can turn it on by voice commands, because I'm probably not going to be able to reach it. But I got to start using this. And then this has the InReach SOS button, and this is a tracker as well. And this is going to give me my data screens and map as for how far I am. And then we've got, these just came in, Salomon Tech Amphibian 5s. I need to see if my feet will fit vertically in the boat. So I'm getting ready to try those on. And I've got some alpaca socks coming, but I'm going to use my Wigwam merino wool socks for right now.
Wigwam.
Just to test it, and that's what we're working on today. Yep. So there's the boat. I've tested my Arc'teryx Beta jacket a couple nights ago in the rain, and super lightweight. Does a great job. It's Gore-Tex. I've got pants coming in and a down jacket, down hoodie to wear. But all testing right now. Got to get some long distance paddling coming in. We'll be cleaning up the boat.